some people have an awful
way
lot
more than that. Kev sent these ones. They seem to be... I don't know if that's where he keeps them on his kitchen floor, but thank you very much for your stash of plastic bags, Kev.
Jane sent this one. It's more of a kind of a tube effect thing with, what is that, sunflower on the side?
Yes, and Z keeps a makeup bag full of plastic bags in her handbag. This is clever. So she always has enough, even for a big shop.
This possibly, though, is the most inventive. Jenny's in Holland, and this is the picture she sent in this morning. This is cushions.
She knits cushions out of plastic bags, and she's inspired other people to do that today.
Wow. You would never have thought that. When we started that conversation, you just wouldn't have thought that was going to happen.
You wouldn't. Very useful.
Carol, let's have a look at what you've got in store for us. The word nippy. You've used the word nippy, and it's the middle of July. What on earth is going on?
I know, you don't expect that, do you, Charlie? Good morning. This morning, it is a nippy start to the day for some of us, and when the rain sets in for all of us, it is going to feel a lot cooler than we would expect. Some of us in the south already have the rain, and accompanying it, there's going to be windy conditions, whereas in the north, you've got sunshine and showers. But the showers today will be slow-moving in lighter winds and could have the odd rumble of thunder embedded in them. But this is the rain that's already happened. It's been coming in from the southwest, moving northeastwards, and will continue to do so through the rest of the day. It's all been driven by this area of low pressure. When the rain sets in, for some, we'll have it for a good 9 or 10 hours. And if you're stuck under it, say in the West Country, the Midlands, for example, the temperature won't get higher than 12 Celsius, hence the word nippy being used quite a lot. So the rain moves over towards Lincolnshire, the Wash, into East Anglia, Kent, round London, southern counties. Ahead of it, for Northern England, Scotland and Northern Ireland, not a bad day. There will be sunny spells for you, hazy sunshine at times and a few showers. By the time we get to the afternoon, the rain will be continuing to edge away from southwest England, but there'll still be a lot of cloud left in its wake with some showers. Then we're right back into that band of rain across South Wales, southern counties, the Midlands, Kent, London, East Anglia, and also up towards Lincolnshire. There'll be a lot of surface water and spray on the roads, and there is the risk of local flooding. Cloud building ahead of it across northern England, still producing some showers. And for Northern Ireland and Scotland, it's a mixture of bright spells, sunny skies, and also some showers. And again, the showers will be slow moving. So as a result, particularly in the south, of the heavy rain and strong winds, you may well find some disruption to travel, and you can keep up to date with what's happening where you are on your BBC local radio station. Now, through the evening and overnight, the heavy rain moves across London, through East Anglia into Kent. Again, there's the risk of localised flooding from this. A lot of surface water and spray around, and gusty winds, particularly so gusting to gale force along the shoreline of, for example, Norfolk, Suffolk and Kent. But offshore, we'll be looking at gusts up to severe gales. Behind it, it's going to be drier with just a few showers. Now, we start with that wet and windy weather in East Anglia and Kent first thing on Saturday. Through the morning, it will clear away. Then for all of the UK, we're looking at a drier day. Sunny spells, just a few showers. Most of them will be in Scotland, but even in Scotland, we won't see that many. And in lighter winds, it will feel better, despite the fact that temperatures are below average. And then you can see, too, the cloud thickening up in the west. That's heralding the arrival of some rain coming our direction during the course of Sunday, moving from the west towards the northeast. It will move through quite quickly on quite a brisk wind, and when it eventually gets across northern Scotland, here it is going to drag its heels. Not what we expect, as we said earlier on, Charlie and Lou.
It isn't, is it, Carol? But thank you very much for keeping us company. See you soon. Thank you.
See, what you need to do when the weather's like that is to wear brightly coloured clothing,
yes,
isn't it?
which I've tried to do.
That's what you're trying to do, and our next guest has done the same thing for us. Andrea Triana is here this morning in a very, very bright, that's got a summer feel to it, isn't it?
Thank you, yes, I like to be summery.
That's the mood. Let's introduce you properly. Adriana was selling ice cream in a lay-by to make ends meet. Now she's